Welcome to the AquaTru Freestanding Model 3 Installation Guide. Let's ensure you get the best out of your new water purifier with these easy-to-follow steps. Let's get started. Here are the tools needed for installation. A cordless screwdriver, a 1/4-inch drill bit for the wastewater line, an adjustable wrench, a Phillips screwdriver, a utility knife or scissors, PTFE tape, often referred to as plumber's tape or Teflon tape, and a 5-gallon bucket or some other sizable watertight container. Step 1 is selecting the perfect spot. Your AquaTru must stand tall on a clean, level floor near a water source, a grounded 120-volt AC outlet, and within 100 feet of a P-trap protected drainage point for wastewater. Leave at least 4 inches of space behind the unit for connections and airflow. Slide down and pull out the front door. Remove the protective covers from all positions and install the white tank flushing plugs in all positions marked with a yellow, blue, or green sticker. Install the mineral filter in the position marked with an orange sticker. Align the red arrows on both the filter and manifold. It's as simple as that. Next up, connect to your water supply. Ensure you're working with cold tap water only. Turn off the valve and open your faucet to relieve pressure, and ensure the water flow has stopped. Now disconnect the faucet hose from the supply valve. Attach one side of the included 1/4-inch white tubing to the 1/4-inch branch on our tap adapter. With the tubing attached to our adapter, screw it onto the cold water valve. Don't forget to use plumber's tape on the threads. Then reattach your faucet supply hose. To make the drain connection, first locate the included drain saddle. Mount the drain saddle as low as possible on the drain pipe above the trap. Drill a 1/4-inch hole. Apply the gasket to the side of the drain saddle with an opening and secure the saddle with bolts. Make sure it's snug, but don't over-tighten. Now let's connect the tubing. Connect the inlet to your water supply and the RO drain to your drain saddle using 1/4-inch tubing. These quick connect fittings make it super easy. Just remove the plugs and lock washers first. Turn on the water supply and plug in the unit. The front panel lights will cycle, indicating filtering. After 30 minutes, unplug the unit or turn off the water. Drain the hot and cold tanks completely into a 5-gallon bucket to flush out any residue built up during manufacturing, transportation, and storage. Now let's flush the filters. Remove the tank flushing plugs and install the pre-carbon, reverse osmosis, and VOC filters into their respective positions, following the colors and names on the labels. Replace the mineral filter with the included filter flusher. Connect a spare length of 1/4-inch tubing to the outlet of the filter flusher and place it in your bucket or container. Plug in the unit or turn on the water and flush 5 gallons of water through the filters. Unplug the unit or turn off the water. Replace the mineral filter after flushing. Plug in the unit or turn on the water and check for any leaks. After you've checked for leaks, replace the front panel and lock if desired. Your AquaTru Pro Model 3 is installed and ready to use. Enjoy fresh, filtered water and eco-friendly hydration. For assistance, refer to your manual, visit our website, or consult a licensed plumber.